Sharpen image problems can be incredibly frustrating. You take what should be a perfect photo, but when you open it later, it looks blurry, soft, or out of focus. The good news is, you don't need professional editing skills or expensive software to fix it. In this video, I'll show you 3 magic tools that can sharpen images instantly and bring your photos back to life. Let's start with the first tool, Remini. Remini uses AI technology to automatically enhance blurry photos. All you need to do is upload your image, tap Enhance, and let the AI work its magic. Within seconds, faces become clearer, details pop out, and low-quality images look surprisingly sharp. It works especially well for portraits, old photos, and images taken with older phones. The second tool is Let's Enhance. This is a powerful online tool that improves sharpness while also increasing resolution. You simply upload your photo, choose the enhancement mode, and the system automatically fixes blur and noise. It's perfect for product photos, social media images, and even website visuals where clarity really matters. Now let's move to the third tool, Pine Tool's Sharpen Image Tool. This one is great if you want quick manual control without any sign-up. You upload your photo, adjust the sharpening level, preview the result, and download the improved image instantly. It's lightweight, fast, and ideal for quick edits when you don't want AI processing. Here's an important tip before you sharpen any image. Avoid over-sharpening. Too much sharpening can create harsh edges, noise, and unnatural textures. The goal is to make your image clearer, not fake-looking. Right now, Sharpen image tools powered by AI are changing how we fix photos. What used to take hours in Photoshop can now be done in seconds, right from your browser or phone. So whether you're fixing old memories, improving social media posts, or enhancing images for work, these 3 tools can save you time and effort. Try them out and see which one fits your needs best. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you sharpen image quality instantly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who struggles with blurry photos. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.